To another Flutter Form tutorial video. In this episode, let's learn how you can create password fields in Flutter. So in Flutter, you can create password field by setting up the obscure property of a text field widget or a text form widget with a value of true. So let's see how we can do that. So you can come right here inside of your text field form. You can call this obscure property or obscure text with a value of true, and this will hide your password. So let's start typing right here password. And you can see as we type it, we are able to hide the password. So we can also change what type of character we want to display instead. So you can come right here, call the obscure character, and here you provide a string. By default, you can use this dot, or you can also change the one to be asterisks. So save. So now when you start typing some text, you can see right here. You can even use the percentage character right here, and you will see it. This will be displayed, and you can test the validation, and the validation will still work right here. As you see, password must be at least 6 characters long. So now let's make our app more dynamic. The idea is to click on this widget or this icon right here, and then we are able to hide and show the password dynamically. So for that, the first thing I want to do is set up a new variable. This will be of type boolean. So bool is password visible. Initially the value will be false. So here you can come right here inside of this password field. So instead of calling this suffix icon, what we'll do right here is called an icon button. So here we'll specify our callback method. So here you can just call the set state. So we'll call this is password visible. This will be equal to exclamation mark is password visible. So whatever value we have on the right side, this will be the opposite on the left side. So then for this icon, you can copy this icon widget right here, paste it here. So now we can do right here, call this is password visible. So let's do a question mark. If this is visible, I want to show the icon widget, but now with the visibility off. So we can call this underscore off, otherwise the visibility icon right here. So now save everything. So now reload your app. So for now we can type in the password. So let's change it right here, character to be the asterisk. So save everything. So start typing password. So now let's hide it. We are not able to do anything. This is because we need to call now our variable right here and paste it here. So now save everything. So when you start typing right here, we are not able to see it. Now when you click on it, you can see right here. So as you can see, we need to change the order right here for this icon. So cut this one, paste it here. And then this one will be right here. So save everything, reload your app. So now the password is visible. So when you click on this icon right here, you can hide it. And you click on this one, this can show it. So this is how we can make your text form field dynamic and create your password. So this is it for this video. In the next video, let's learn how we can work with checkbox in Flutter. So if you find this video useful, give it a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notification when new videos are coming out. This is it. See you on the next one.